Hey guys, today we're talking about the Moonshine Mani What is Your Favorite Color collection. This collection is available right now at moonshinemani.com. The entire collection is available for $60 or the polishes are $11 each. Sorry, I forgot to apologize. I am still sick, so I'm sorry if this is a little bit nasally. First we have She Turned Me Into a Newt. It's a yellow-green mystery transformed with bronze, gold, and indigo shifting shimmer and lime gold microflakies. This polish reminds me of Zombie Zest kind of a polish. This is 2 coats. This gorgeous green is a Shrubbery. It's a dark mossy green jelly with gold to green duochrome shimmer, gold, bronze, and silver multichrome flakies, iridescent green and teal micro glitters, and evergreen hollow and chameleon flakies. Again, this is a 2-coater. If you're looking for a holiday nail polish, this one would be absolutely gorgeous. Phoebe makes some absolutely amazing pinks. This one is a metallic French rose with red, bronze, copper multichrome flakies and red to gold micro flakies and sparkling purple micro flakies. This is anything but a plain pink polish and it is gorgeous. You're seeing 2 coats here. I almost forgot to tell you the name of this polish is I Shall Taunt You a Second Time, and I did forget to tell you that this entire collection was themed off of the movie Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Phoebe does creams with the multichrome shimmer better than anybody I know. This is an inky midnight blue with the multichrome shift from red to orange to gold and freckled with teal to blue iridescent micro glitters. The name of this one is And There Was Much Rejoicing. And look at those micro glitters in there. They stand out gorgeous on top of that multi-chrome shimmer. And this is another of my favorites from the collection. This is the Knights Who Say Knee. It's a soft gray base shimmering with a red to green shift, copper hollow, and orange gold green chameleon flakies. This one is absolutely a favorite. I could wear this all week long. And to round off the collection, we have Supreme Executive Power. This combines gold, green, blue microchrome flakies with gunmetal, gold, and blue micro flakies and a beautiful purple to green aurora shimmer. This one is such a fun polish. This is only 2 coats. Overall, I really loved this collection. Fall polishes are my favorite anyway, and the fact that Phoebe had 2 of the creams with the multi-chrome shimmer won me over absolutely. This is a great collection. I really think you should go to www.moonshinemani.com and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!